Here is a security alarm. You plug this inside. I have it outside just for the demonstration purpose. Here is your solar power, and it charges the batteries in there. And there's your motion detector. Wide range, works up to reaching 13 feet away from the device. You can set this up at your garage when someone pulls in your driveway. You can even set it up in the backyard at the shed where I'm at now. Or you can set it up at the back door, so a lot of options. Here's the device, and I just want to let you hear how loud it is. Has different settings and different volumes. There's the loudest. And it's definitely loud enough to let you know when someone's home. You can have this in a living room area or a bedroom. And I'm just going through the different chimes. And it's picking up my motion right now from here. That's why I'm able to go through this. Has the buttons right here that you can scroll through. There's a dog one. Doesn't sound very good. But as you can see, you got various sounds there. I turn this down just a tad here now. And I'm just going through different settings here. It's still working my motion. So you can make it annoying sounds or pleasant sounds. You pick. I bring it to a medium sound. You get the idea. Here's the next volume. And I hit one more volume up. So that is the sound motion detector device to alert you when intruders are near.